Hello everyone. I'm Parth Gahi from Beanforia Coffee Academy. Have you ever wondered about the amazing things AI technology can do in the field of coffee, especially in latte art? In today's era, isn't it intriguing to think whether AI could replace baristas in creating latte art? Let's delve into this topic. Firstly, let's consider how AI technology can be used in coffee making. Nowadays, there are machines capable of preparing coffee automatically, including creating latte art. For instance, coffee printers can draw preset designs on coffee using a method similar to inkjet printers. These machines deploy powder from cartridges containing coffee, tea, or cocoa, using pressure to craft images or text on coffee. However, this is merely a form of pattern spraying. Pause for a moment. For this to work effectively, precise temperature control, the quality of milk froth, and, most importantly, accurate timing are essential. Thinking of latte art as merely drawing on coffee is a misconception. The real charm of latte art lies in the barista's touch and creativity. Each barista brings their unique style to latte art. It's not something easily replicated by a machine. Baristas take into account the taste of coffee, the texture of milk, and even customers' preferences, turning each cup into an artistic masterpiece. From this perspective, it seems unlikely that AI can completely replace baristas. Enjoying coffee is more than just quenching thirst, it's about offering a sensory experience. Latte art crafted by baristas is a form of interaction with customers, with each cup telling a story of the barista. Machines, no matter how sophisticated, struggle to replace these human elements and personalized service. Yet, we can't overlook the progress in AI technology. AI can enhance the efficiency and consistency of latte art. For instance, during busy mornings, AI can be significantly helpful in serving numerous coffees quickly. Additionally, AI has the potential to lead latte art towards more creative and innovative directions. But there's a concern. The rapid advancement of AI is astonishing. Are we heading towards a future like Skynet from the Terminator movies? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you all for watching.